When something goes wrong at work, fixing the symptom is not enough. You need the root cause. That is where root cause analysis comes in. First up, the 5 whys method. It is simple. Ask why a problem happened, then ask why again, usually 5 times. For example, a machine stopped. Why? It overheated. Why? Low lubrication. Why? Maintenance missed. Why? No checklist. Why? No maintenance system. Just like that, you uncover the real issue. Now let us talk about the fishbone diagram, also called the Ishikawa method. Instead of asking repeated whys, it maps out all possible causes. Causes are grouped into categories like people, process, equipment, materials, environment, and management. This makes it ideal for complex problems with multiple contributing factors. So what is the difference? 5 whys is fast and simple, great for straightforward issues. Fishbone is detailed and visual, perfect for team brainstorming and complex incidents. Choose the right tool, fix the real cause, and prevent the problem from coming back. Fix the cause, not the symptom.